Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix KRITIKA Rise of KRITIUM game crashing at startup, not loading, not working, keep stopping or not working error on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, click press and hold the volume up plus power button and select restart. So this will restart your device. After your device restarts, now check if the game is opening or not launching issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If any kind of fluctuation is on your internet, or if you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once or move to mobile data, or if you are using mobile data already, then move to Wi-Fi and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, open it and then check if you can play it. If not, you should clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache option. Click on clear cache, and after that, check if the game is opening or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option here, you have to search for KRITIKA Rise of KRITIUM game, and here you should check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, try to play it and check if it's working now. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings on your phone. After that, go below and click on system update. Now this step may vary from phone to phone. You have to check if there is any system update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that, check if you can play the game. If not, you are suggested to use a VPN service to launch the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps available. Simply install any one of them, and after that, after installing, change the location and then try to launch the game and check whether you can play it. If not, you are also suggested to check if there is any storage space problem or so. For that, go to settings, and after that, go below, click on RAM and storage. The step may vary, so you have to simply check if there is any storage space available or not. If not, you are suggested to delete some unused apps or games or data, anything, to create space, and after that, try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after doing this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for the game once again, and then click on the install option, and then try to play the game and see if it works. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.